Class 2L play was a great success by Lucy Grant. This year, Class 2L's play was Vet Story. The play was in our classroom on Tuesday morning. I was the vet in the play. Jack and Ruby were ill animals. Jack was a rabbit and Ruby was a cat. My costume was a vet's white coat. Jack's was a fluffy tail and big rabbit ears. Ruby's costume was a big cat's head. In the story, the rabbit was scared of the vet, but in the end, he was very brave. The cat was very old and tired, but in the end, it was happy and well. The play was lots of fun. Our families were very happy and proud of us. Thank you to our English teacher, Miss Green, for her work. And thank you to our mums and dads for the costumes. Primary 2 was brilliant. We are really looking forward to Primary 3.